What's up guys, this is Saurabh and welcome to your first PHP tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll discuss some basics of PHP. You can download my PHP notes from my website tutorjavatot.blogspot.in. Go to tutorials tab, you will reach to this page. Select my tutorial and you'll be able to access my PHP tutorial blocks. Now starting with our control panel, we'll need a control panel for our PHP programs to run for local server. For that you may need a XAMPP control panel or a WAMP. I have given a link for XAMPP here, so you can visit my blog and you may download it. Now starting with what is PHP. PHP is an open source server-side scripting language. It means that unlike client-side scripting languages like JavaScript, JScript, etc. that works on client-side, PHP works on server-side. Now beginning and ending PHP tags. Now what are these beginning and ending PHP tags? If you are aware of HTML, you might be knowing about some tags like say B and closing B. So whatever comes here becomes bold. Similarly, we have PHP closing and beginning tags. This is PHP beginning tag and this is closing tag. The complete PHP script comes within these two. Now comments. What are comments? If you have ever programmed before, you might be knowing that normally programming languages have a property named comments, using which you can comment a code so that you may be able to, whenever you access it in future, you may be able to refer those comments to know what those codes are for. For example, in PHP, first of all let's make PHP. Okay, so here we have PHP opening tag, here's an ending tag. I'm using Notepad++, you may use Notepad as well or any other editor. So within here we have single line comments which starts from double slash. This is a single line comment. Okay, another way of having a single line comment is hash symbol. This is another single line comment. Okay, so here we had single line comments. Now let's go to multiple line comments. Single line comments were the ones who begin with this, either this double slash or hash, and we end to this line, to the end of the line. Multiple line comments have a beginning and an ending symbol. It begins with slash and star and ends with star and slash. Whatever comes here, this is a multiple line comment. So whatever comes within this, it may be of more than one line or it may be of one line. All this is comment. whatever outside this is not a comment. Okay, now moving on to print and echo functions. What are print and echo functions? If you have ever learned C++ or C, in C programming language we had printf to print anything on the screen. In PHP, to print anything on our page, we have echo function or print function. For example, let me delete all this. If we print echo within brackets, within quotations, hello, so it will print hello on the screen. If instead of echo we simply write print, it will do the same thing. When we use echo function and we don't use these braces, it will still work the same manner as with braces. So now running PHP in local server. So as I told you before, we need a local server or XAMPP control panel to run the PHP code. So first of all, let's create a program, our first program of PHP. It's a simple hello world program. You can simply write echo hello world. So it will simply echo the hello world. Let's save it. I'll save it in, I'll create a new folder, PHP. Okay, so here I'll name it hello.php. Now let's run it. First of all, open your control panel, start Apache server, type here local host / our folder name, that is PHP space tut slash I'm sorry localhost PHP personality GT. Okay, so hello.php a file. It has echoed hello world. Now let's try this same with braces. Let's refresh it. Still the same. To know the difference, let's add an exclamation mark. So let's refresh it. Now we have an exclamation mark. Now let's do one thing. Yeah, one more thing I should tell you before moving on to print. When we use echo function, we may use HTML tags along with it. Like for example, I'm using a BR tag here. I'm sorry, here. Now let's refresh it. See, now we are in next line. Now let's remove this. Let's try the same with print function. Save it, refresh it. So it's working print function as well. So we have run our PHP page. We have tried print, echo, and this second format of echo. And you may access this code here for this tutorial. That's all for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.